Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an iPhone 17 Pro Max unboxing and what is on my iPhone tour. I recently upgraded my phone from the iPhone 15 Plus to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I wanted to give you guys a proper unboxing and what's on my iPhone tour. This is a big girl purchase for me. This is not something that you would typically obviously buy every single day. I use my phone every single day to create Instagram, TikTok, content, and then obviously I do my YouTube on my camera. This also means I can partially film some of my videos now on my new phone, which is very exciting. The camera on this new phone is amazing. It has so much more storage as before with my old phone. I was having a lot of storage problems. In comparison to the iPhone 15 Plus, there are already such big noticeable differences. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into this iPhone 17 Pro Max unboxing. First things first, I actually went to the Apple store yesterday. This is the phone box. I decided to get this phone in silver just because I am a silver girl. 256 gigabytes in comparison to my old phone, which I'm pretty sure was like 128. Very happy about that already. Look at this colour, I am in love. I love the new camera design as well. I remember when it first came out, I wasn't the biggest fan, but I've actually found that it's really grown on me and now I love it. I can't get enough of it. The silver is so gorgeous. The new iPhone itself looks like. It's definitely thicker in width. The camera is obviously larger. The new iPhones no longer come with a charging plug. So it doesn't come with a charging block, however it does come with a brand new sync cable and a SIM card tool, and then also some leaflets underneath. So it's got like basically loads of information on the new iPhone. No longer comes with Apple stickers, but I've got to say though, the new packaging for the new iPhones is definitely on the very sleek side. So that is everything that came in my Apple box. Moving on to accessories. So I actually did get a screen protector fitted onto my phone yesterday. If you're anything like me, I am a clumsy girl and I know I would drop my phone and I don't want to have a broken iPhone. Ordered a new phone case from Amazon. I will have a link down below as well as the phone itself. This is literally the perfect baby pink colour. I wanted to get a baby pink phone case for this phone as I already knew that I was going to get the silver phone because none of the other colours really stuck out to me. And I love this baby pink one. It's really nice. It also has MagSafe as well, which is always really nice. Obsessed. It is so cute. Let's move on to what is on my iPhone. I've actually set my lock screen already and it is this baby pink gingham colour with the matching nude. Let's start off on my home screen. At the top I have FaceTime, calendar, photos, camera, mail, notes, clock, Spotify, a widget, app store, wallet, settings, weather, contacts, my bank, Vinted, and Pro. FaceTime, call, messages, WhatsApp, all pretty self-explanatory communication apps. And then calendar I use on a daily basis to kind of keep track of everything. I've actually become a lot more of a calendar person the last year. I love just being able to see everything that's going on that month and it's a really good way for me to keep track of everything that's going on. Photos and camera, hands down my most used apps on my phone. It's what I create with and where I can view everything that I've made. Mail, I don't really use that much. Notes is where I literally just brain dump 85% of the time. Clock for timers or to see like different time zones, I suppose. Spotify is for music. Then I have this widget I put here where it says when things change inside you, things change around you, and I found that really motivational and I knew that I really wanted to be able to see that and read that every time I picked up my phone. App store is to obviously download apps. Wallet for all my Apple Pay, my cards. Settings, weather, contacts, my banking. Vinted I use all the time. I've just bought 2 dresses for Valentine's on there. I'm so excited. I buy and sell on Vinted. And then I have Pro, which basically controls my LED light bulb in my room. Scrolling over I have my social media stuff. So I've got another widget, then I've got Instagram, TikTok, Gmail, YouTube Studio, Pinterest, Fonto, Visco, YouTube, Canva, Pixar, and another widget. The widgets on this page are very like workout orientated. Seeing these kind of photos always motivates me to go to the gym, so I wanted to have them on my phone so next to my content I can be like, okay, this is my creativity, this is for my well-being. This is my Instagram. I basically post every single day on here. At the moment I'm really trying to prioritize my Instagram and my growth on there. TikTok is similar. This is what my TikTok looks like again. I post every day on here, again short form content that you guys may or may not see on YouTube Shorts, maybe my most consistent platform on a daily basis. Gmail is where I use to send and receive emails. YouTube Studio is game changing for those that have a YouTube channel. You can really understand your analytics in a more in-depth way and it allows you to kind of look into, gain insight on how your content's doing, what's working well for you and your audiences, what they want to see more of, how things perform. So if you're a YouTube creator, definitely get YouTube Studio. Pinterest, post and save on here, and then I have basically my whole life categorized into into Pinterest boards. If you guys want to see more in depth, my Pinterest is in the description box of this video. Fonto, Visco, Canva and Pixar are what I use to design. Fonto, Canva and Pixar are all for thumbnails, and then Visco is to edit an Instagram photo. And then of course I have YouTube, which is what you guys are watching on right now. Scrolling over, I have just kind of random apps, but I've categorized them to kind of make it look a bit more tidy. At the top I've got Friends of Lush and Hollister Style Club, which are both content creator platforms for Lush and Hollister. I then have social tools, fitness, travel, food, shopping, random apps that go underneath those categories. So social tools, I just have a bunch of things to kind of go hand in hand with my social media apps. Fitness, I have my Pure Gym, fitness and my Apple Watch. Travel, I have all of the good travel apps when I'm traveling. Food, I have an embarrassing amount, but these are like loyalty cards for if I do ever eat out or get takeaway. I can earn points for it, right? Then shopping, again, quite embarrassing. I am a shopaholic. Now my widgets on this screen, I have a bunny jelly cat, a year full of blessings, which I feel like is very on brand for 2026, and then a granola bowl because it just looked really, really good. That is everything that is on my iPhone 17 Pro Max. I really hope you guys have all enjoyed watching this unboxing, watching this in-depth what's on my iPhone tour. I'm so excited to have upgraded my iPhone and to be filming a lot more for you guys and creating more for you guys' entertainment. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you guys want to shop the brand new iPhone and accessories, I will have everything linked down below, so make sure to shop through the links below. I love you guys and I will see you all in my next video.